Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn scatter chart with using tooltip. So let's start. I have already imported order table in Power BI. This order table contain the information of different product with different year. So let's create a scatter chart. I am selecting scatter chart, sales on x axis, quantity on y-axis. Let's see this in focus mode. As you can see, when I'm plotting these informations, I'm able to see only one dot. When I hover the mouse on the dot, I would see the number are not single value. Rather, those are aggregated value. That's because whenever you are taking any number field in the visualization, by default you get the summation of it. If the field text, then you will get a count. I want this data to be plotted based on the sales. So I am dropping the sales in values. So you can see the changes in plot. Also, I am adding the city in legends. As you can see the changes of color according to city. When you hover the mouse on this dot, I am getting the information of sales, city, and sum of sales, sum of quantity. But I want some additional information. For that, I am adding the reason in tooltips. Also, I'm adding the profit. I'm adding the product name. So, tooltip is a tool which gives you additional information without impacting on your chart. See, when I'm hover my mouse on these dots, it gives the information sales, city, reason, profit as well as product name also. Let's do some formatting. First, we will add title of our chart, scatter chart, increasing the font size. I'm keeping it 28. Alignment is center. Also, I am changing the background color. Now, let's do formatting for visual. I am changing the colors of grid line. Style of grid is dashed. Category labels on. So you can see the changes. Decreasing the font size of category labels. Color is black. General. Adding some effect. Background color. Visual border on. I am making the border blue. Rounded the corners. We can also increase the width of corners. Like this, we can do many more formatting. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.